Vegetable pizza recipe. 1 pizza crust store-bought or homemade, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, assorted vegetables such as bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, olives, etc. Olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Preheat your oven according to the pizza crust instructions. 2. Roll out the pizza crust on a baking sheet or pizza stone, following the package instructions or your homemade recipe. 3. Spread the pizza sauce evenly over the crust, leaving a small border around the edges. 4. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce, covering the entire pizza. 5. Chop the assorted vegetables into desired sizes and shapes. You can slice the bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, or any other vegetables you prefer. 6. Arrange the vegetables on top of the cheese, distributing them evenly. 7. Drizzle a little olive oil over the vegetables and sprinkle with Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. 8. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake, according to the crust instructions, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the crust is golden brown. 9. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. 10. Slice the pizza into wedges or squares and serve hot.